Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a Cheetah hack. It's probably the most simplistic, easy, foolproof way of highlighting and contouring your face. So it's a great method for those that are on the go. They're always busy. I know as a mom, I appreciate easy makeup. I appreciate easy methods. So this is something that is both fun and kind of easy for those of us that are busy. So thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's just get right to it. I'm gonna be using just a couple different colors, two colors for my foundation. The makeup that I'm actually using is by a line called Mascara Beauty. It's a cream-based formula. Cream-based being really nice, just easy. It's very blendable. It's very easy, especially for doing this particular method, the Cheetah hack. So first step, I'm gonna be taking a brightening color. This color I use called Linen. I just use this particular color as a brightening color, just kind of in the triangle of my face. So just dabbing a little bit here and there. And you can use your finger, you can use your brush to apply this makeup. And actually, I'm just gonna use my face on my face. Of course I'm gonna use my face, but I'm just gonna use my finger for this one. I'm just going on the fly right now. And just kind of focusing on kind of like that T-zone, the middle part of my face, because I kind of want to use that as my brightening area. And I'm gonna do some of those highlights in my laugh lines and where I'm starting to get a little bit more deeper lines, those laugh lines, and on the inner sides of the corners of my eyes where I want to highlight a little bit more, and there as well, and anywhere that I have a little more redness than normal. And the secondary color that I use is called Aura, and that's just like my regular kind of like a foundation color. In this particular, with this particular company, this particular brand of makeup, their highlights are basically the foundation of the makeup. Cover up those sunspots or anything like that. This is super easy, kind of just foolproof way to get you out the door as quickly as possible. Yeah, so I'm just kind of avoiding the areas where I'm gonna put my contour, and I'm covering up those sunspots as well. Okay, so you can see I've got the brightening color in the middle, and I've got the secondary color on kind of the outsides. All right, and this particular method also kind of helps, just contouring in general, helps to kind of bring forth areas that you really want to emphasize. It draws attention to the features that you like the most, and it kind of minimizes features that maybe you don't appreciate or love so much. So after I've done the two colors, I'm going to be going in with my contour color called Ash. And I'm just using my little compact here from Mascara Beauty. I'm just gonna go like on the sides of my nose. And then on the forehead, I'm gonna do some dots up there. And then also along the cheekbone, you can kind of find like the hollow of your cheekbone. It kind of helps to draw the face up a little bit. It gives yourself kind of like a inexpensive facelift. And then once I've done all this, I'm gonna go in and blend it with my sponge, or actually I might just use my brush for this. Okay, So now that I've got my dots, kind of looks crazy. Whoa, right? Looks nutso. It looks a little crazy out there, but it'll blend nicely because it's a nice cream-based formula. So all of these colors will blend together really nicely in one layer. One thing that's really nice about this brand of makeup, Mascara Beauty, their brushes are fabulous. They are very professional. They're very soft. They're cruelty-free because they don't use animal hair. It's just synthetic. It's very clean. You can clean it very easily. So anyway, but their brushes go very nicely with cream formulas. So it's one great aspect of the makeup. So I'm gonna be using it's called the B Square brush. All of their brushes are double-sided, 2 for 1, great deal. So I'm just gonna be using the smaller side of that B Squared brush, blush and bronzer. I'm just kind of starting in the swirling motion. So I'm gonna get in here because I want you to be able to see just how easy, and I'm also trying to look in the mirror here as well. I just want you to see how easy this is and how nicely it kind of just all blends together. So it's not gonna look so crazy at the end. So just kind of focusing on those highlights first. And then I'm gonna go and focus on those contour areas. And if you find that after you've done all that and you still have maybe an area or two that are kind of a little bit, like right here, I got a little blemish. I'm just gonna touch that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna focus in now on the contours. So you can see all of those colors blended in really, really nicely with one another. And then next I'm gonna do my forehead where I've put some of that contour up above. And I still have a little bit here on the sides of my nose. I'm gonna bring that down a little bit. And I'm gonna take my finger and just kind of go in there where I put that highlight, brightener highlight I should say, and kind of blend that out too. Okay, I'm gonna go once again, top of my nose. After I've blended that all out, looks pretty good. And like I said, if you don't think that your contour is quite deep enough, you can always go again. And what I like about this particular brand of makeup, this cream foundation, is that it's very buildable and very foolproof, and it doesn't cake. It won't cake up, so just blend it out till it's all very seamless. And do this side as well. So you have your contour. So you have that natural kind of shadow look to the cheek. And I'm gonna blend that out that I put down below as well. So you have a contoured face. Very easy, very blended now. And then after all of that, I'm gonna go in with my blush side of my blush plus bronzer B-square brush, and I'm just gonna dip into that lip cheek called Nude, and I'm gonna do that just on the very outsides of the apples of my cheeks. And I'm just doing like a stippling motion. And just on top, so you want your contour on the bottom of the hollows of your cheekbone, and then the blush goes like right on top. I didn't dip into it a second time either. Just took what I initially put on the brush and blended it out. And if you find that you're, just tap it in a couple times and then do it. But if you're finding that you want just a little bit more deepened blush, so just dip in again and add a little bit more. And if you find you go too heavy, just blend it out. Everything's very blendable, which I really like about this makeup. Okay, so that I've got my cheeks both done. I can also take that same color that I just used for my cheeks, and I can use them on my lips. Because all of the colors in this line of makeup, you can use their blushes. All of their blushes you can use as lipstick as well. So there you go. And you have a nicely contoured face. Very quick, very easy, very simple. So if you're a busy mom, or you're a busy career mom, or you're just a busy woman, I know this makeup is really simple and easy and fun, and I hope that you enjoyed that. So make sure that you like, you subscribe, and you hit the little bell button. Button? Is it a button? Just hit the bell, okay? And you'll be notified next time I upload any new content. So thank you.